Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're talking about the new mid-layer from RUKKA, the RUKKA Aldrich. Okay, so here's something we've been asking for a long time from RUKKA. Amazing brand with great products. We wanted a really nice mid-layer that you can wear as a casual, or that you can wear under your jacket to keep yourself nice and warm, and RUKKA have come with the Aldrich product. So this is the Aldrich in the grey colourway. We've also got a black colourway, which is explained that to you. It is available to view on bikerheadz.co.uk. Essentially this is a black material and this is a darker grey in these two panelled areas here. So you've got black here, darker grey here on the black one. We're also doing the grey variety, which is this one here obviously, which I'll talk you through. So this is a 3-layer knitted product. So if you just open it up quickly, you'll see the first layer on the inside. You've got this fleece area on the inside, so that's going to trap all the hot air inside the product for you there, keeping you nice and warm. So it's a nice warm product on the inside. Then between the outer layer and that fleece you've got a membrane, which is the RUKKA AWS membrane. It's not a waterproof membrane, it's a windproof. This is a mid layer to go underneath your Calyx 2 jacket, your Navigator, anything like that, just to provide you with a bit of extra warmth. On the outside here you've got ripstop material running down here, and a nice quality knitted material on the outside of the product as well. So that's going to give you 3 layers, keep you nice and warm inside your jacket. For those who haven't seen the Calyx 2.0 review, the Calyx 2.0 doesn't come with a mid layer. So this is one of 3 mid layers that we are offering you as an option specifically for that jacket. So you've got the Hulk, the Aldrich and the Down X jacket as options in mid layers. Just running through some more of the features. So nice quality YKA zips built into this product. Pocket on the side here, 2 hand warmer pockets down there, and that's your product. Split it around to the side, you've got a stretch panel on the arm there for a bit of contrast detailing. Then you've got the ripstop material down half the jacket and then a contrast material down there. Nice high collar as well, to keep it nice and warm, and a fold over piece over the top of the zip just for comfort. So that's the RUKKA Aldrich jacket, available in both grey and black. For any more information on any of the mid layers in the RUKKA range, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk.